just once, can we find a way to finally make it right? To make the magic last for more than just one night. If we could just get through it, I know we could break through it. I gave my own, but I think my own may have been too much. This world knows we're getting away. Since we're always growing, whatever we've got going, it seems sometimes with all we've got, we haven't got a prayer. Just once, can we figure out what we've been doing wrong? Why good times never last for long?
Most lalaki ka daw.
Where are we going wrong? Just once, can we find a way to finally make it right? To make the magic last for more than just one night. I know we could break through it, and we could just get through it just once. We could understand why it always comes back to goodbye. Why can we give ourselves a hand and admit to one another we don't do without each other? Take the best of all together, to stay together. Just once, can we find a way to finally make it right? To break the magic last for more than just one night. I know we could break through it if we could just get to it just once. Oh, we could get through it just once.
Alam mo na, si Mama. Ikaw na.
Kata na kayo, Day. Napili na kayo. Ikaw. Ano yun, number?
Kay Celine Dion.
Ay, ala yan. Ano yun? My,
Basta ako go.
My heart will go on. Hanapin mo ba yan?
My, ano yun? Heart will go on yun?
My heart will go on.
Ang galing pala ni Peris kumanta. Sumali ka ha.
Ano pa?
Ako mag-sponsor sa'yo.
Ayan, ang alam.
Sponsor talaga. Lalaki ha.
Ay! Mr. International 2013, fourth runner-up Philippines.
Ay, for turn up lang.
Oh, ito, siya. Gwapo, te.